Alright. Now I've planted several gourds in my garden already, or my yarden shall I say. But these sprouted within 2 days of putting them into the ground. So I definitely know those seeds were viable. Every other gourd I've tried to sprout so far has not come out of the ground, so we won't even talk about them. This is called the angled gourd, or better known as the Luffa gourd. Now you can eat these fruits when they're young, but as they get older and mature, they develop a very fibrous sponge on the inside. Yes, the Luffa sponge. This grows Luffa sponges. Now, I had never known that until literally 2 weeks ago. But I didn't even know that when I purchased these gourds. I thought I was just purchasing a strange, fun to grow gourd that you could eat. But what is exciting me right now is this. I was hoping this would start to happen. You see this vine? It's starting to grab onto my trellis system. Those little tendrils that are reaching for something to grab onto. And that's telling me that this trellis system just might work. So I'm very excited, eager to see the progress and the growth, and eager to share it with you. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because I will be providing progress reports on this Luffa gourd. Have a nice day.